guys, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Lynn. If you're not, welcome back. I would love for you to subscribe and hit the little notification bell button. That way you're notified every time I upload. So this is in collaboration with Kelly, aka Joy Before Her on YouTube. I'm sure you guys already know her, but if you don't, she does film curly hair videos as well. And she has an amazing singing voice. Her Instagram is also to die for. So you have to check her out right after watching this video because she will provide you with 2 other hairstyles with scarves. So you have more options. If you want to see the 2 hairstyles that I put together with 2 different headscarves, just keep watching. First one is very easy, very lazy. This is just when I really don't feel like refreshing my hair. I don't feel like doing much, but I need to look cute because I need to take a photo, or I need to do a TikTok, or I need to go to the grocery store, or I need to walk down the street. Whatever it is, I know we are in quarantine, so we can't really go pretty much anywhere, you know, so you can still look cute though. I strongly believe if you look good, you feel good. So even though we're in quarantine and we really can't see people and we can't go out, I really recommend you just dressing up a little bit, putting on some makeup, doing your hair. You don't have to wash your hair every single day. You should take care of it more often now because you have the time, but you should definitely do a cute hairstyle just so you can feel better. So you're going to need a medium size headscarf or a regular scarf in general. This one is from Bumble&Bumble. I really like it. It's thin, it's light, and if you have a thick scarf, you can use that as well, but I just feel like this works better with a thin, light scarf. So I am not going to apply any product to my hair. I'm just going to try and flatten the top out a little bit so it doesn't look bulky when I have the headscarf on. So I'm just going to flatten it out with my hands. If you have more volume than me at the top, make sure you brush it down. Maybe apply a little bit of product if you really need it to stay down, but if you can just go like this and it stays, that's fine. You want to fold your scarf into a triangle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you want the pointy part in the back. And then we are going to tie it. Now we are going to separate our hair into 2 sections. It doesn't have to be even or perfect again. Make sure you pull on the straps a little bit so they become a little bit longer. And we're going to do 2 low ponytails. And that is it. This is the laziest hairstyle I've done. It's very cute though, you can't lie. And then you can do your baby hairs. I'm not going, actually, should I do them? Yeah, I'm going to do them. Maybe it's better if you lay down your edges before applying the headscarf, but I'm going to try and make it work now. This is pretty much it. You can refresh your curls with some water or some product if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. You can also wear this hairstyle with 1 ponytail to the back, 1 to the front. I really think that's cute. And then I also like that this is a little detail in your hair, or you can bring both to the front and call it a day. Next hairstyle requires a little bit more to it, so you're going to need a brush or a comb and a leave-in conditioner or cream. I am going to use a leave-in conditioner and a cream because this look is going to be a little bit more like put together, more effort to it. So let's begin. I have to take off my glasses so they don't get in the way, but you want to follow what I'm doing. So take your hair from the front sides and then try to separate. If you want, you can make it all perfect and make lines and stuff, but I'm not about that life. So you do want to make sure that both sides do look even with hair, so you don't want this side to be like flat like that and then this side all voluminous. So you just want to make sure all of that is even. Grab your scrunchie and you want to tie your hair at the top a couple of times and then make a bun. We're going to fix the bun later, so don't worry. It's going to look a little bit better. But for now, this is how your hair is supposed to look like a little bit. So this hairstyle is nice and all, but it's a little bit boring. So we're going to add a headscarf, and this one is from Asodara. This is how long it is. It's not that long, but it's like the perfect size to tie it. And it's also not like, there's not too much fabric, so that's good. So I folded it in half and we're going to place it underneath our hair. Make sure it's even. And then tie it into a cute little bow. This is so cute. I love it. I don't know why I don't wear my hair like this more often, because sometimes like my hair does look dull right now, but adding the little headscarf just distracts you from all the dryness, so that's a good tip. If you don't want to do the bow, you can also just hide the extra fabric. You can tie it once, then you can hide the extra fabric inside of the other fabric. Ooh. So it would look something like this. I'm actually going to wear it like this. So because my hair is a little bit dry and I do want to add a little bit of product just to re-moisturize some curls, I'm going to use Not Your Mother's, love this brand, Not Your Mother's Curl Talk leave-in conditioner. This is one of their new products. Also going to be adding a little bit of cream for a little bit more hydration from Moroccan oil. The product smells so good. This cream is really light, so it's not going to weigh your hair down, and it's going to dry pretty fast, so you just want to smooth it on because I want length. This is the back of the hair. It doesn't look bad at all. I'm going to fix my baby hairs or my edges over here. Put my glasses back on. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to watch Kelly's video. It will be down in the description box below. The link, she will be providing you with 2 more hairstyles with headscarves, and that way you have just more options, and I hope you enjoy her video, and until next time.